So here's the truck. It's in worse conditions. All that rolled salt on. But I got it all the way up to the highest level of foam. Winter is starting to be over and it's a mess in here. But look, check it out. Look what I got. It's been sold out. It came out a couple months back, 9 months, a year ago. Finally got my hands on one after a couple months of waiting. I kind of forgot about it, but ended up seeing a video on one, and I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and get one. I've been wanting to get a power washer or a pressure washer for a while, and this kind of seemed perfect. All I really needed is for the cars, so let's unbox it and test it out today. It's finally warm enough. I'm also trying out this drying towel I got off Amazon, and I went ahead and bought the quick disconnects. So that's probably the only upgrade I'm going to do. I've seen some reviews on these. Well, I'll probably do the hose eventually. But for now, it's fine as it is. And then I got it was highly recommended, the swivel for the actual gun part of it, the little stubby. So let's test it out. I'll give you guys a quick review. The truck is nice and dirty from all the salt. So finally time to give it a quick wash. And this one I'm interested in seeing how well it does. It was about 24 bucks. High GSM count, which I guess that's what matters. But we'll see how it does. Similar to a higher priced black towel that I've seen, but even higher count than that one. So hopefully this one does pretty good. I have one, a smaller one, but it's not as great. Still leaves some streaks on there. So hopefully this is better. If not, I'll have to buy the black one, the higher price one, and maybe it makes a difference. All right, let's unbox this. All right, here we go. Operating manual. Just one thing, you got to run it before you turn it on. Make sure the air is out of it. So I'll read through that. And then here's the whatever that is. All right. Access the handle. Little stubby gun. Feels, I mean, I haven't had one, but it feels cheap. I'm not gonna lie, feels cheap. As long as it works for now. I might upgrade it eventually. I've seen some really nice looking ones. Yeah, you can tell it's cheap. It does not feel the best, but again, I haven't held one before. At least not a small stubby one. All right, here's one that people recommend right off the bat, upgrading, the foam cannon. I'm not a big fan of foam cannons, so I'll probably just use this. I mean, I see the benefit, but not enough to switch it out for now. Then there's that, the hose, and then the little small wand. I'm gonna take it out and set it up. All right, so here it is. Put the handle on here. It's maybe 20-25 pounds or so. Put that little swivel piece on here and on the hose, so it'll swivel around. And then here are the different tips to it: 25, 15 and the 40. So here's the whole reason I got it is, one, it came with the foam cannon, you know, these rubberized tips in case you hit it with the stubby. And then, you know, I would have wanted one with a little higher PSI, but I guess the gallons per minute also matters. And again, I just use it for the cars anyways. That's really what I want to use it for the most. Has this little compartment for those. That's pretty sweet. And you know, I'll end up using this every other week or so. I know they have a similar size one with 1800 PSI. Kind of just a generic one, but this one is actually their Automotive branded washer, so hopefully it's good. I mean, I've seen some good things about it, so hopefully it's all true. All right, I got it set up. My oldest is vacuuming it right now, I got most of the air out. So there's the fan. You can see the fan of that 40 degree. And she's ready. Just gotta plug her up and start going. I'm excited. Alright, here's the first run. The 40 degree. Slight delay there, but no big deal. So we're already starting, and I just want to let you see how loud it is, which is not terrible. It's not terrible. Once you walk away from it, standing up, it's not loud. That's not bad. Let me show you the sample of the foam cannon. So really watery with it. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. But I got it all the way up to the highest level of foam. And maybe it's the brand, it's the chemical, guys. It's really not my favorite brand, but I went to O'Reilly's, and out of everything they had there, this will look the best. I don't usually go to O'Reilly's. That was good though. So here's the truck. It's in worse conditions. All that rolled salt. So that's the biggest reason I wanted that pressure washer for this one, since it's get driven the most. Let's see how it does. Look, I was gonna move the truck over there, but this is pretty far. I can still move the washer over here a little more, so that 40-foot hose is beneficial. He's finishing up over there. All right. Look, I just hit it, but it has that rubber. All right, here's where we're at. Clean, and this towel is really, really good. I'm happy with it. Look, one swipe and it cleaned up this side real good. And we wiped down the white truck. And it's still going. It's good. We're done here. So it looks good. This towel did a really good job. It's on the other side. The gun's on the other side. Spray off the back. This towel was worth it. Check it out. And it's heavy. Really, really thick. So overall, this Ryobi, like I moved it over, that 40-foot hose, didn't have to move it. For 150 bucks, has pretty much everything you need. Again, I'm gonna upgrade the hose at some point. Did the quick disconnects, but I think it's worth it. Can't beat the price. So if you guys are looking for one, this one, I'd give it a go for sure. All right, we're gonna finish this up and dry it off, spray it down, and we'll be done here. All right, y'all, thanks.